Hello, my name is Unice Anne C, Cuyos, and I will explain about the design guidelines for common spaces. Based in the SIN, there are 13 common spaces, but I will only discuss the 4 common spaces. Convenience outlets and switches. First, the number and type of lighting outlets should be fitted to the various seeing tasks. Lighting outlets should be located to meet the desired lighting effects and fixtures to be used. Second, all convenience receptacles on 15 ampere and 20 ampere general purpose circuits should be of the grounding type, minimizing the hazard of shock from short circuits. Third, GFCI or ground fault circuit interrupter protection should be provided on convenience receptacles where required by local code. Example, where the occupant is exposed to water. Fourth, AFCI or arc fault circuit interrupter or arc fault detection device protection should be used on convenience receptacles where required by local code. Example, in bedroom circuits. Fifth, all rooms that have more than one entrance should be equipped with multiple switch controls. Example, two-way or three-way switching at each principal entrance. Principal entrances are those commonly used for entry to the room when going from a normally lighted to an unlighted condition. If this recommendation would result in the placing of switches controlling the same lighting installation within 8 feet or 2.5 meters of each other, multiple switch controls may not be required. Sixth, wall switches should be located at the lock set or latch side of doors or at the traffic side of arches, and within the room or area where the lighting outlets are located. Seventh, convenience receptacles in living rooms, bedrooms, dining areas, and other habitable spaces should be placed so that no point along the floor line in any usable wall space is more than 6 feet or 1.8 meters from an outlet in that space. Any wall 2 feet or 0.6 meter or more in length must have a convenience receptacle. Preferably, convenience receptacles should be located near the ends of a wall space, rather than near the center of the wall, to reduce the likelihood of being concealed behind large pieces of furniture. Outlets should not be placed above electrical baseboards, hot air registers, and hot water or steam registers. The intent is to eliminate cords having to pass over hot or conductive surfaces wherever possible. Building exterior. First, one or more lighting outlets should be located at or near all exterior entrances. Outlets should be switched or automatically controlled. Second, for each single-family dwelling, at least one duplex receptacle shall be installed outdoors to be readily available from ground level. Weatherproof convenience receptacles should be provided on exterior walls for outside work. GFCI protection is required for outdoor receptacles. Third, one or more outlets may be required for exterior equipment. Example like swimming pool pump, well pump, and so on. Common areas in living rooms. First, outlets for ambient and task lighting should be provided. General illumination outlets should be wall switch controlled. Second, convenience receptacles in living areas should be placed so that no point along the floor line in any usable wall space is more than 6 feet or 0.6 meter from a receptacle outlet in that space. Third, one or more receptacles for entertainment equipment should be provided at bookcases, shelves, or other suitable locations. Fourth, when general illumination is to be provided from portable lamps, then at least 2 separate wall switch plugged-in positions should be provided. This can be provided with two switch regular duplex receptacles or one switch plugged-in position in each of two split receptacles outlets. Fifth, an outlet for a fireplace may be required. Sixth, a smoke detector or alarm on a 120-volt circuit should be considered. Food preparation, kitchen, or cooking areas. First, lighting design should be provided for ambient and local or task elimination of the work areas, sink, range, counters, and tables. Lighting outlets should be switch controlled. Second, special purpose receptacles should be provided for all fixed appliances. Example in range, built-in microwave, exhaust hood, dishwasher, trash disposal unit, waste disposal, and so on. Third, at least two 20-ampere small appliance circuits for kitchen countertops should be provided. These circuits are in addition to those required for refrigerators, ranges, microwaves, lighting, and so forth. Outlets on these circuits should serve only the kitchen, pantry, and/or dining room areas. The following convenience receptacles should be connected to small appliance circuits. One receptacle for each 2 linear feet or 0.6 meter of work surface space. At least one receptacle to serve each separate work surface. Any counter space wider than 12 inches should have a convenience receptacle. Fourth, convenience receptacle serving countertop areas. Example, except behind refrigerator and those serving fixed appliances, should be GFCI protected. It is recommended that receptacles serving countertop areas be split wired. Fifth, a smoke detector or alarm on a 120-volt circuit should be considered. This is an example of an electric plan for some common spaces in our house. These are the sources I used for my report. Thank you for listening.